Why is shorthand still a good skill to learn today? Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep up during a fast-paced lecture or meeting? If so, you might want to consider learning shorthand. This skill is not just a relic of the past, it remains highly relevant today. So, why is shorthand still a good skill to learn? Let's break it down. First, shorthand allows you to write much faster than regular handwriting. While most people write between 20 to 30 words per minute, shorthand users can often exceed 50 words per minute. Some even reach speeds above 100 words per minute. This speed is especially useful in environments where information comes at you quickly, like university lectures or professional meetings. Next, when you use shorthand, you can capture more information accurately. This means you can focus more on understanding the content rather than worrying about writing everything down. Shorthand uses symbols and abbreviations, which reduces the time and effort spent writing. This leads to better concentration on the material being presented, ultimately improving your comprehension and retention of the subject matter. Additionally, shorthand notes tend to be more organized and concise. This makes reviewing and studying much easier. Instead of sifting through pages of longhand notes, you can quickly refer back to your shorthand notes and grasp the key points. Shorthand is not just for students. Many professionals find it useful too. Journalists often use shorthand to quickly record interviews and news stories. Court reporters relying on it to accurately transcribe spoken words during trials. Secretaries and personal assistants use shorthand for taking minutes and managing communications. Even with the rise of technology, like voice recognition software, shorthand remains relevant. Voice recognition can sometimes make mistakes, while shorthand users can avoid these errors altogether. Learning shorthand also helps improve other skills, such as listening and summarizing. These skills are beneficial in both academic and professional settings. Plus, mastering shorthand shows commitment to learning a specialized skill, which can make your resume stand out to potential employers. In summary, shorthand is still worth learning today because it significantly increases writing speed, improves focus and comprehension, produces concise notes, has practical uses in various professions, enhances listening and memory skills, and adds a unique skill to your personal and professional toolkit. With consistent practice, shorthand can become a powerful tool that saves you time and improves the quality of your notes, making it a smart addition to your study strategies.